Let's science this. I'm on it.
Come discover the world around us.
We'll observe nature's wonders.
Using science and imagination, we'll experiment and build creations.
Darwin and Utes, having fun with trial and error. Darwin and Utes,
Bringing all their friends together. Find out how things work with Darwin and you.
Can I have the first turn, Darwin? Please, please, please. All right. Just let me bait the hook first. Now, you remember how to cast, right? Wait a minute. Why isn't the hook sinking? Because it's too light. We forgot to attach the sinker. Right. It's called a sinker because it's heavy and it sinks. That's the plan. Ha! Ka-pie! Good job, Newts. It's sinking! Come on, fish! Bite the hook! Where are the fish? It takes a while to catch a fish. You need patience. And Grandad Koro's lucky fishing hat. Really? If you say so. It's been ages. Maybe there's no fish here. They'll be down there somewhere. Oh well, your turn. Let me know when you catch a fish. I sure will. No, Newts, what are you doing? I'm testing out what sinks and what floats. No. No and no. Guess what? Rocks don't float. A great observation, Newts. But do you think you could do your testing further along? You might scare away the fish. Oops, sorry. Now what? Kia ora, guys. Sorry about my beach ball. Sort of got away on me. That's okay, Henny. Are the fish biting? Not yet. Hey, your beach ball floats on the water. Sure does. It's lighter than the water because it's full of air. Makes it bouncy too. Well, I was just playing a game to see what stuff floats and what stuff sinks. Want to play? Love to. What about these sticks? I reckon they'll float. Me too. Let's see. We're right. So sticks float, but rocks sink. I wonder why. The stick's light. Maybe that's why it floats. What about this big log? Sink or float? Float. What do you think? Sink. It's pretty heavy. Let's see. It sinks. Wait a minute. It floats. Newts, I'm trying to catch a fish. Oops. Sorry again, Darwin. Let's go further up. let's try some other things.
Hey! Let go! Let go! Kia, let go! Ah! Shiny! Shiny!
Kia, naughty bird. Drop that. Oh no! Grandad Coddle's lucky fishing hat.
We have to get it back!
At least it's floating. It's probably got some air trapped under it. But that won't last for long. It's starting to sink.
Wait! I think I can grab it! I missed it!
It's okay. It's stuck on that branch. But it's too deep to get to, and it's still sinking.
We have to get it before it sinks! Here, Teddy! Quick! Let's science it! Some objects sink because they're heavy. And some objects float because they're light.
Especially if they're full of air.
We need something we can float on to reach the hat.
Hey, look what Kia's standing on. The swing! And that tire's full of air.
Ah! Not my mouth! Not my mouth!
I'm on Presenting my latest invention, the Lucky Hat Retrieval Floating Tire Thing. Carl Pie, good job, Newts.
Now we can float out to where the hat is on this.
Yes, and Henny holds the rope so we don't float away. We'd better hurry. Kia Tere, put these on. Let's go. There it is. Yes, it hasn't sunk yet. Hurry! Use the piece of wood as a paddle.
Or maybe if we paddle together, we'll go in the same direction. Yay! It's working!
Guys, the hat! Kia Tere, quick!
Oh no! My lucky hat sunk! Can you see it? Ah! Down here! Down here!
Kia's found it!
Nice one, Kia!
There it is! Oh, maybe I can reach it! Be careful, Newt!
It's sunk! Oh, that hat's down too deep! Wait a minute! The sinker is sinking the hook right down to the bottom.
Why does fishing have to take so long?
It takes a while. You need patience and a lucky fishing hat. Wait! I think I've got it!
Reel it in!
Wow! My lucky hat's come alive!
Come on, Darwin, you can do it!
Awesome!
No wonder it was so heavy. It was full of water.
But why was it moving?
You got a fish!
Wow!
That hat really lucky. You actually caught a fish with it.
Ah! What is it? What is it? I think we'll call it